Hello, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. Thank you for stopping by. I hope you have subscribed and you have watched all the previous videos where we've been answering questions so far. All right, today we are on question number 9 and it's on statistics. In this particular question, we have a frequency table and it shows the marks scored by a group of students in a test. The mean mark is 6. You need to realize that the mean of a group of data is given by summation fx over summation f. What does this mean? It's just summation implies you're going to add up. Add up what? All the product of fx. So you're going to find f being the frequency, x being the mark or whatever the item is. So in this situation, your mean would have been given by you adding up the product of f and x in each situation divided by the total frequency, because summing up the frequency gives us the total frequency. All right, so I'm going to use the table to help this come alive much easier for us. From the table, we can see that the total frequency is 2 plus 4 plus n. So frequency summation f is what? 2 plus 4 plus n. And this is going to give us 6 plus n. All right, we've sorted our denominator. Now for our numerator. Remember we said it is summation fx. So we need to multiply these two values and add them up for each scenario. So summation fx will be given by 2 times 4 plus 5. So 4 times 5 plus n times 8. Okay, that's what it is. So 2 times 4 is 8 plus 4 times 5 is 20 and n times 8 is 8n. Let's simplify that. It becomes 28 plus 8n. Now we're going to bring everything back together here. So our mean, which is given in this question as 6, is equal to summation fx, which is 28 plus 8n, over summation f, which is 6 plus n. All right, now let's work this out. This will multiply this to give us 6 into bracket 6 plus n equals to 28 plus 8n. Opening up this bracket, we're going to have 36. 6 times 6 is 36 plus 6 times n is 6n equals 28 plus 8n. All right, so I'm going to collect like terms. The 28 comes over here and the 6n goes over there. So that becomes 36 minus 28 equals 8n minus 6n. I have collected like terms. 36 minus 28 is going to give us 8 equals 8n minus 6n is 2n. Dividing both sides by 2 is going to give us 8 over 2 equals to n. Therefore, our n is equal to 4. We have been able to answer the question. N is 4. So we're going to write our answer in the answer space. Okay, so remember, when you have a table like this and it's talking about a certain number of marks and the frequency, to find out the mean, it is the summation being adding up the product of the frequency and the mark in each situation, okay, divided by the total frequency. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video where we will be answering a question on, what's the name of this topic again? Tell me in the comment section. See you in the next video. Bye.